Hello everybody, thanks for joining me again. Just come out for a short walk along the breakwater. As you can see, the sun's just about to rise. So just going to take some photographs, enjoy the morning, and as always, see what I find. Well, as you saw, it was a lovely morning. So just as the sun was rising, I took this shot and cropped it to a 1:3 with berry heads silhouetted on the right and a lovely golden sunrise. And just my luck, one of the boats was just going out past the breakwater, so I just waited until it was silhouetted against the sun and then took this shot at about 180mm. One thing I had noticed in the sky was that the clear skies that we've had for months have started to be disrupted by vapor trails. As you can see, most of the high cloud here are the result of these vapor trails. But BM-128 was coming round the corner. It used to be called the Lady Lou. I'm not sure what its name is now, but I was able to zoom in and got this lovely shot. Well, that was lucky. That was a nice sunrise and managed to get a couple of fishing boats going past the sun. I think I might just sit here for a bit longer, see what happens, then take a walk back along the breakwater, see if I can see any seals and other wildlife. Glorious morning. Well, as you can see, I just managed to catch this seal as she was swimming into the sunrise. But there wasn't much else to photograph. There were these turnstones on the jetty near the end of the breakwater, all lined up. As you can see, most of them were fast asleep, but a couple of them had their heads up looking at me. So I thought I might try a shot. So I opted for a 1:3 pano. I quite like the chain on the right hand third and the birds evenly spaced. Not the greatest of shots, but all good practice. Well, only a short video today, but I hope you enjoyed the walk along the breakwater and the sunrise. If you like the video, subscribe to the channel and give me a like, and if you hit the little bell thing, you'll get notified when I put my next video on the channel. But for now, cheerio.